Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty okay. And please, I just want to make this emphasis. I changed my channel's name from Beauty okay to Be Okay Zone. Let me write it out. That was a Be Okay Zone. So this is the new channel's name, Be Okay Zone. Now, what's it about? It's gonna be an edutainment channel. That's to say, I'll be making educative or educational content and entertainment channel. So from first week of February, I will kick off my content creation and edutainment. That's otherwise called edutainment. That's educational content and entertainment channel. So from next week, I'll be creating my videos on it. So that's the new channel's name, Be Okay Zone. Okay, so let's go to the board. Today I'm going to be treating some JAMB likely questions in biology. And what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be giving you hint questions, okay, on how JAMB questions will look like. I probably might even bring these questions in your JAMB exam. So do well to watch, do well to comment, and do well to share. Okay, so let's go straight to the board. The first question says, plants which can survive in extremely dry places are called plants which can survive in extremely dry places are called. Now in this question, what they want you to understand is the kind of adaptations that occurs within these plant types. Now if you check to they have the mesophytes. Now the phytes is talking about plants, plant like, okay, phytes. Talking about plant like, if you see the word, they have mesophytes, they have xerophytes, they have hydrophytes, they have angiosperms. Okay, so now what they want you to understand is what type of plant can survive or can adapt to an area that is dry. Otherwise you can also call it aridity. That's what they call aridity. That's aridity. That's a dry place, otherwise a place like desert. Okay, so if you don't see the word extremely dry place, you can see the word aridity. Please take note. Okay, aridity or arid, yes, A-R-I-D. okay, you can see words like that. So which plants can survive in this area? A, we have the mesophytes. B, we have the xerophytes. C, we have the hydrophytes. D, we have the angiosperm. Now how do we address this? Okay, so how do we address this? First of all, what are the mesophytes? Mesophytes are the kinds or types of plants that exist in a moderate environment, that is within a wet and a dry environment. They can adapt in that area. Okay, meso means moderate, that's moderately. Okay, moderate. Now B, xerophytes. What are xerophytes? The word zero simply means dry. This is a Greek word. Okay, it's a Greek word that means dry. Zero. So phytes plants. That's plant that can adapt in a dry environment. Okay, so let's leave the answer first of all. At least from this explanation, you know the answer, right? So let's go over to the next question. Sorry, the next options rather. So the next option says hydrophytes. The word hydro means water. Hydro, okay, then phyte, plants. So these are plants that lives in an aquatic environment. That's a water environment. Okay, so the last one says angiosperms. What are angiosperms? These are flowering plants. Okay, we have we have the gymnosperms, we have the angiosperms. Okay, so the angiosperms are the flowering plants. So it does not have anything to do with these options here or from the question that says plants which can survive in extremely dry places. Okay, though they can survive, but the main answer is the xerophytes. So the xerophytes are plants that can adapt in an arid environment or an extremely dry environment. The next question says the presence of dash for swimming in a tadpole enables it to adapt in an aquatic environment. What features enables the tadpole to swim in an aquatic environment? Now, this is tadpole. What is the tadpole? The tadpole simply means the larval stage of a frog. Okay, this means tadpole means the what? The larva stage of frog. You know, we have different stages. Okay, we have that's what they call metamorphosis. That's the stages. Okay, we have from the larvae to the pupae, from the pupae to the nymph, from the nymph to the what adult. It depends on the kind of what metamorphosis. That's the complete or what the incomplete metamorphosis. So the tadpole is a larval stage of a frog. So what enables it to swim in an aquatic environment? A, we have the gills, we have the swim bladder, we have the tail, we have the fins. Now the swim, you know the gills. Now the gills are found mainly in fishes. Okay, this enables them, or most aquatic organisms, this enables them to respirate in their environment. So it is not in line with this question. B says the swim bladder. What does the swim bladder do? The swim bladder is found in fishes as well. It helps them it helps them maintain buoyancy. What is it? Buoyancy. That's to keep them afloat on water. That's so that they can float well. Okay, so this gives them that buoyancy in water. So it does not relate to the question that says the presence of dash for swimming in a tadpole enables it to adapt to its environment. C, we have the tail. Now what the tail does, yes, in the larval stage of frog, that's tadpole, the tail enables them. Now when there's a movement in the tail, once the tail moves, it enables them to swim. Okay, it does. When the tail is shaking, if it shakes to this area, it enables them to swim. So with the help of the tail at this their larval stage, enables them to swim in their aquatic environment. So the answer here is the tail. Okay, so what about the fins? The fins are found in fishes that enables them to gain balance and steering. You know, so they can steer. Let me spell the word steering so you understand. That's to steer, okay, and gain balance in water. So the answer here is what? The tail. Take note. The tadpole, that's the larval stage of a frog. The next question says, possession of thin membrane enables tapeworm to dash. What does this thin membrane does in tapeworm? This is their possession, this adaptation they have, this attribute they have. What does it do for them? A, enables them to lay numerous eggs. B, absorb digested food from their host. C, fasten themselves to the wall of the host intestine. D, shade themselves. So what does this thin membrane does? Now, yes, indeed, tapeworm, they lay eggs. Okay, they lay numerous eggs, but that does not relate to the question. Now take note, whenever you are attempting a question, look at the question itself and check your options. It will help you. In fact, it will go a long way for you to answer questions very well and smartly without wasting time. Okay, so we're going to edit the ones that does not even relate to the question itself. So lay numerous eggs, though that's what they do, but it's not the function of the thin membrane. B, absorb digested food from their host. Yes, this is what the thin membrane of tapeworm do. Do you know why? Because tapeworm, they don't have digestive system. Okay, so they absorb nutrients within their skin, or what we call the entanglement. Let me write it out. Okay, so they possess nutrients within their skin, or the entanglement. So this is what the tapeworm uses to absorb it, or their skin. Okay, since they lack digestive system. So C, they fasten themselves to the wall of the host intestine. That is as a result of a certain part or adaptation or attribute that they have called they're using their scholars or their hooks. So they use their scholars or hook. So they use this one to attach themselves to the walls of their host. Okay, that is C, fasten themselves to the wall of the host intestine with the help of the scholars or the hook. Now the next point say they sheet themselves. Yes, tapeworms sheet themselves by producing an substance that helps them react, okay, and protect themselves in their host intestine. So from this option, Which answer is the right answer to the question? B is the answer. That's to absorb what? Digested food from their host. Okay, with the help of the thin membrane, tapeworm can what? Absorb digested food from their host. So our answer is what? B. Okay. The next question is this. He said, which of the blood corpuscles are irregular and what? Amoeboid. And what? Amoeboid in what? Shape. What is irregular? Now, we know that all these here are what? Blood types, okay? Blood cells, okay? Now, they said, which of the blood corpuscles are irregular and what? Amoeboid. Now, what it means is, I believe you've heard of the word amoeba. Excuse me? So, I believe you've heard of the word amoeba. You know, this has been a normal thing. It's a norm now. You know, then amoeba. You understand? That's your irregular in shape. You don't get shape. You just like this. The way I see person, we see too fat. Sorry, I'm using pigeon, okay? This person amoeba, no shape, you understand? So, that's what it is, okay? So, they are irregular and what? Amoeba, that's to say they change their shapes, okay? They change their shape. So, we have options here. The leukocytes. What are the leukocytes? The leukocytes are what? The white blood cells, okay? The white blood cells are engaged what? In our immune what? System, okay? So, the white blood cell itself they are what? Irregular in shape, okay? That's at their resting stage and their shape per se, they are what? Irregular in shape, okay? So, they are what? Irregular in shape. So, that's the answer, okay? Let's leave it for, let me tell you the other one so we can now understand. Check our answers by comparing them. So B says what? Plasma. What is plasma? Plasma is a what? Liquid component of a blood of blood. Okay, it contains what? Cells and what? Nutrients. Plasma. Take note. Plasma. Plasma is a what? Liquid component of blood. You know, I can remember vividly. That should be in our level 2. We're actually given assignment on level 1 to differentiate between blood and plasma. Okay, so we had a lot, made research and everything. So now that's what I'm going to leave for you as well. At the end of the class, you're going to comment, tell me 2 differences between blood and plasma. Okay, thank you. So let's get back to our question. So the leukocytes are what? The white blood cells. They are what? Irregular in shape and amoeboid in shape. That's to say they change what? Their shapes. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, that's the answer. Yes. A is the answer, leukocyte. So let's go over to the other option. Say plasma. Like I said, plasma is what? The liquid what? Component of the blood that contains what? Cells and what? Nutrients. C is what? The thrombocytes. The thrombocytes. The thrombocytes, otherwise called what? The what? The platelets. The thrombocytes. Okay, otherwise called what? The platelets. Now, this blood type are what? Responsible for blood clotting. What is blood clotting? That's to clot your blood, to coagulate your blood, so that if, for instance, maybe you had a bruise, you know, to prevent further what? Spilling of the blood. So by so doing, what happens? It now what? Coagulates your blood. There's what they call a particular protein in the platelets that what enables this blood clotting. That is called what? The fibrinogen. Okay, I think I'll write it here. So in case you're asked what protein, there's a particular protein in the blood platelets or the platelet that enables or that allows for the blood clotting. The answer is what? The fibrinogen is a protein that what enables blood clotting in what? The thrombocytes. So the thrombocytes, they are disc what? Shaped in what? In. So they are disc shaped. Okay, they are shaped like is what? Like a disc. You understand? So they are not irregular. They are not amoeboid. Now the erythrocytes, that's the red blood cells. The red blood cells, they are biconcave. They are biconcave, you know, in nature, and also disc shaped, okay? Though they can have an irregular shape, but at their resting stage, at their normal stage, like how they are what? Not irregular, they are regular in shape. Do you understand? Or biconcave. So from this option now, the answer is what? The leukocytes, the white blood cells, they are what? Irregular in shape or amoeboid in nature. So the last question per se, it says, the movement of blood between the heart and all other parts of the body beside the lungs. The movement of blood between the heart and all other parts of the body beside the lungs is A. Single circulation, B. Pulmonary system, C. Systemic circulation, D. Double circulatory system. What is the answer? I said the movement of blood between what? The heart and what? Other parts of the body except or beside the lungs is what? So can I change this? I believe I can change this other part. So A, what is single circulation? Single circulation simply means the movement of blood from the heart what? Once, through the heart once. And this is found mainly in what? In fishes that have what? Single circulatory what? System. B, pulmonary system. When you hear the word pulmonary, it's talking about what? The lungs. So from all indications, in order not to waste your time, is what? Associated what? To the heart. Pulmonary, lungs. Sorry, to the lungs rather. So pulmonary is what? Associated to the lungs. So this option is out of the game, okay? It's out. C, what is systemic circulation? Systemic circulation is the movement of what? Of blood between the heart and what? All other parts of the body. Take note, except the lungs. So this is what? The answer. Systemic what? Circulation. That's blood moves from the heart to all other parts of the heart what? Without getting to the lungs. Do you understand? That's to say oxygenated blood is what? Now what? Sent to other part of the body what? Without getting to the lungs. Do you understand it? So D talks about what? Double circulatory system. Now what does it mean? It means what? The movement of blood through the heart what? Twice to say. That's to say the first one was what? Through the heart, and the second one is what? To the what? Part of the body. Take note. And also what? In relation to the heart. So to the lungs rather. So the answer to this question is what? The systemic what? Circulation. That's the movement of what? Blood between the heart and other parts of the body except what? The lungs. So these are answer. C, systemic circulatory system. So I'm going to stop here. Like I said, I changed my YouTube channel's name from Beauty OK to what? Be OK Zone. Be okay. So this is my new what? Channel's name. And also one more thing, what I'll be doing for you, February 14th is close, okay? So my gift for you on Valentine's Day is gonna be what? I'm gonna summarize the JAMB novel. That's for the use of English, the Lucky Headmaster. So I'm gonna pick out points, and also I'm gonna set questions like preparing for the exam. Do you understand? So that's gonna be my own gift for you, okay? So please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you found value in my video, please do well to what? Hit the subscribe button, okay? And also enable your notification bell so that you know when I'll drop new videos. And also do well to comment and share, and do well to like. Please, this will help my channel grow. Indeed, I'm so grateful. There's been awesome. People have been subscribing from where I least expected, okay? So I am grateful for this love. Thank you for showering me love, and do well to shower more love to me, okay? And I promise to update you with the latest information and keep you prepared for your exams. Thank you, and bye for now. Bye.